moment that I've been waiting for is finally knocking at my door. This is for me, this is my time.